Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the raccoon from Grow A Garden. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the front of the face. Let's draw a line across. Now let's bring it down on the left side. And then angle it slightly down and over to the right. And close it off with a line down. Now on the right side, let's draw the side of the head by bringing it out on top and an angle slightly up at the bottom. And then close it off on the right side. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and draw the face. Inside on the left, let's draw an angle across near the top. Now underneath, we're going to draw the eyes. On the left, let's draw a line down and an angle over from the top and bottom. And then a line down to close off the eye. Now we're going to hop over to the right and let's draw the other eye in the same way. And then color both of these in black. Now let's hop on top and let's draw two lines up. And then bring them out to the sides. Next, we're going to hop down and we're going to draw the snout. In between the eyes at the bottom, let's draw an angle across. Then let's bring it down and over to the left from both ends. And connect it at the bottom. Next, from the bottom corners, let's draw a line down to the bottom of the head. And then on the right side, let's draw a line down, stopping here, and then angle it back in at the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the nose. Let's start with a rectangle near the top. And then two lines down underneath. And close it off at the bottom. And now let's color both of these in black. Now that we're done the snout, we're going to hop on the sides and let's draw an angle across and out on both sides. And that's it for the face. Now let's continue it on the right side. Let's start with the line over and up on the right here. And the same thing underneath, but a little bit longer. Now from the top, let's angle it down and close it off at the end. Now we're going to hop on top and let's draw another line out. Angle it down again. And bring it down. And that's it for the side of the head. Now let's hop on top and draw the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a line up. And then from the top, let's bring it over to the right side and angle down, stopping here, and then one more line down. Now let's hop in and let's draw another angle and a line down, and then a line across on the right. Now inside the left section, let's draw a line up from the bottom, a small line over, angle it down, and a line down. And that's it for the left ear. Now let's draw the one on the right side. For this one, let's leave a gap and let's draw a small line up. And then angle it up to the right side like this. Now let's draw a line across and bring it down. Now we're going to hop inside, and along the right, let's draw another line down here. And then inside the left section, let's draw a line up from the bottom, angle it up, a small line across, and then bring it down. And that's it for the ears. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left here, and let's draw a line down. And then let's hop over to the right side and another line down here that's a little bit longer. Now in between these two lines, let's draw two shorter lines down from the top here. Then let's angle it in, leaving a gap in the middle. Two lines down. And close it off with an angle at the bottom. Now underneath, let's continue the legs by drawing another set of lines down from the bottom corners. And close off each leg with an angle down and over. Now from the bottom corners of each leg, let's angle it back up. And then for the left leg, let's bring it all the way up underneath the body. And for the right one, let's bring it up halfway, stopping here. Now inside each of the legs, let's draw two angles like this. And that's it for the front legs. Now let's hop over to the right next to the head, and let's draw an angle up and out, and then angle it back in on top. Now we're going to hop back down and let's draw an angle up and over to the right side. Then let's bring it down to the bottom. Another angle up. And close it off with a line down. Now let's finish off this back leg. Underneath the body, let's draw a line down, stopping about halfway. And then let's angle it down to the right side. Now let's add two angles out to the left and connect it across. Now from the bottom corners, let's bring it down. Another angle to close off the bottom. And then one more small angle up. And lastly, inside this leg here, let's draw two angles like this. And that's it for the body. Lastly, we're going to draw the tail. Let's start on top of the body, next to the head here, and let's draw an angle up. And another one underneath. And then let's draw 2 lines up. And let's connect it at the top. Now from the top corners, let's draw 2 angles outwards. And then close it off with a line across. Now on the right, let's draw a line down. And angle it back down and into the side of the leg. Now inside the tail, let's draw the stripes. We'll start with 2 angles down near the top. And then from the top line, let's angle it over and angle it down from the bottom line. Now we're going to hop down and let's add another stripe with 2 angles. And continue both of these down in the bottom section. And that's it for the raccoon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!